Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kizito, and what I do is I solve coding challenges that could be asked in a technical interview. Today, we are going to solve another coding challenge using the language Python again. We're going to solve, or we're actually going to create a function that capitalizes the first letter in each word in a sentence. So, for example, something like hello there will be converted into hello there. See how the first letter is capitalized here? That's exactly what this function cap does. Let's go ahead and get started. All right. So the first thing we need to do is create a variable. We're going to call it result. And then from the very beginning, we're going to make the string have the first capital letter, or the first letter in the word capitalized. So to do that, we need to type in string, open and close square brackets, 0, so it can say from this first letter we want to capitalize. Okay, and then the next step we need to type is the for in loop. So let's go ahead and type for, and we're going to say word for the element in range from 1 to the length of the string. Okay. Now inside of the for loop, we need to set a statement or an if statement, and it's going to be typed out like this: if string word is an empty space or just a space character, then the result should be plus equals string, the word again, dot capitalize. Else, or if it's not any of those, if it's not an extra space, then result will equal word, or word will just be added in there. And then we return result. Okay, it looks like everything is set. But before we decide to see if everything's working, let me explain. So we declared a variable called result and gave it a string and capitalized the first letter in the string. So what that there does is pretty much this. Like, say we put in a string that says hello there. When we put in this result here, or when we give the result a value of this, what's happening is it's just grabbing the very first letter in the string, hello there. So only H will be grabbed and it'll be capitalized. After that, we use a for loop to iterate through each element in the string. starting from the first element in the string. So this for loop will iterate through every single letter in the string, starting with the second character in the string, based off of the range. Okay, after that, we then set a statement that says if the string starting from 0 is a character of space, then result will receive the current element capitalized and added to the string that is after the space here. So pretty much it's saying if the element in string is equal to this, which is this right here, then the next string that it will go to, or the next character that it will go to is this, and it will capitalize it just right here. So this is pretty much accessing that element in the string or letter in the string and capitalizing it. Now, if the character is not a space, then it will just add the element to the string. Therefore, the rest of the letters will be lowercase. And then after that, we will return it. So that's pretty much what's happening. Let's go ahead and copy this function we created. Let's go to the terminal and type in Python, enter, paste it, and then we're going to call the function. Okay, now let's go ahead and call the function. Cap, and we're going to give it a sentence that just says hello there, just like what I put here inside of the comment for Python. Hello there, and then press enter. Forgot to close the comment. The double quotes. There we go. Now it's a full string. Let's press enter. There we go. Hello there. See? It capitalized the first letter in each word. Hello and there. That's it for today. Y'all have a good one.